It's another edition of What's on the Porch, and today I have my Chic Beauty Box. This is the September-October box. They come bi-monthly. The boxes start at $34.99 a month. I signed up for 6 months and got mine for $94.99 with a little bit of a discount. Look at how cute. I love the pink and white pumpkins. Isn't that cute? There's a referral on here. You can refer a friend, win points, and get your friends and family 20% off and score $10. So if you want to scan that QR code and get yourself 20% off, there you go. So this box is new to me. This is my second box, and I don't know if I'm supposed to have all the products on the back of this card. I looked on their website and I cannot tell. I'll have to do some exploring and see what I can find out. I have everything. Nope, I don't have. There are 2 items on here that I do not have, so I'm assuming that they just make a card and you get what you get, but you don't get everything that's on the card. Let's check out what I do have. Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. I have used every product that was in my box on my face, and I will go in the order in which I put them on. And I did start out using these brushes. These are Alemana Cosmetics Spanglish Brush Trio, and they're $18. And I have had some Alemana brushes in the past, and I was not all that crazy about them. I actually like these. They have a very nice weight to them, and I love the shape of this brush. It is a crease control brush, and as you can see, I use that to put my eyeshadow in my crease. I use the Dominique Cosmetics Transition Palette. And then I did use the other 2 brushes. I'll show you that when I get to that product. Next is this little MAC eyeshadow. This is Smoky Mauve. And y'all know I love anything that has the embossing on it, which most of the embossing is gone now from me attempting to use it. This Extra Dimension eyeshadow is $20, and it did not go on very well with the brush. I did not try real hard. I just figured I would use my finger, because sometimes these types of shadows just go on better with your finger, but I did like it. I put that on and then I put something else on over top of it, but very, very nice. Very soft. And I did try to put that on with this packing brush. Pigment Packer brush. And I did use this to deepen up my outer corner from the Transition palette, and I do like this brush. It worked really well. And I used this brush to kind of blend out like up in here to get rid of that line that I had there. Next, I use this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This is $28, and it is in the shade Amethyst, it says, but it looks more pink to me than it does amethyst. When I swatched it on my hand, it dried down and did not budge. It blended out very well. Very nice product. I really liked that. And from there, I use this Suva Toppers palette. This is Pressed Pigment palette, and the shades in here are Daiquiri, Lemon Drop, Cotton Candy, and Mojito. And you can see that the ring around the shade lets you know what that shade's shift is, because these are they considered duochromes or multichromes? I am not sure, but this holographic, says holographic topper palette And it retails for $35. I don't know why I thought it was going to be more expensive than that, but you can see that I used the lemon drop in my inner corner, and I did some swatching of all 4 shades, and I really like this palette. I think that this is my first Suva Cosmetics. Is it Suva Beauty product, and every time I look at that Suva I want to say sous vide, but you know, that's something you do when you're cooking. But it went on very well, very pretty. Love them. They're very, very nice, so I'm happy to have that. And then the last product in the box is this Maybelline Hyper Easy brown, medium brown. Is that what the shade name is? Medium brown eyeliner pencil. And these are one of those micro eyeliner pencils. The point is very, very tiny, which can be nice, but it also takes longer to put it on. It's took a little bit for it to warm up enough to actually go on well, and I actually broke the tip of it off. But I have used these before from Maybelline, and they are nice. And so I do like it. I like the brown. I'm happy to have a brown. This retails for $10. And this is my completed look using all of the products in the box, which is pretty cool. I really like it. So let's see what the value of my box is. So the total value of my box is $111, and I spent less than $34 because, like I said, I get a discount. So I'm not mad about that. So far, this is my second box, and so far I am liking this little subscription box. It's nice not to necessarily get a box every month because I got a lot of makeup, and I'm doing all kinds of panning projects to try to go through some of it, and so we don't need a ton of it coming in, but I believe that I can link down below. I don't know about that QR code, but we'll see if I can't link down below so that you can get a discount if you're looking for a box. Those of you that don't do the Ipsy Boxy Charm thing. Thanks for hanging out with me. Before you go to check out Chic Beauty, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.